Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Brain Rot, where we break down the hottest stock news so you can make smarter investment moves. Today, we're diving into this fresh Yahoo Finance article. Experts predict how Apple's stock will fare by the end of 2025. With tariffs in the spotlight and AI heating up, is Apple a buy, hold, or sell? Stick around. I'll share the expert takes while we screen record the full article. If you're into tech stocks, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Alright, let's jump right in. Published on Yahoo Finance, this piece zeroes in on Apple's stock outlook through the end of 2025, especially with President Trump's tariffs shaking things up. The good news? Apple products are exempt from those tariffs on imports from places like India, China, and Mexico, blunting any major short-term hits to earnings. As we scroll here, you'll see experts saying these tariffs might not crush demand. In fact, they could supercharge it. iPhone sales just jumped 13% ahead of potential price hikes, thanks to what's called a pull-forward effect. People are buying now to beat the rush. And don't sleep on AI. Apple's got something big brewing, possibly dropping hints at their September keynote. Morningstar calls Apple fairly valued, with medium uncertainty, based on their latest earnings report from July 31st. Zacks is a bit more mixed, overall hold rating, with an F for value, B for growth, and a strong A for momentum. Solid foundation, but let's hear from the pros. First up, Schiffer, chairman of the Patriarch Organization. As we highlight his quotes here, boom, right in the article, he says these exemptions blunt earnings damage near term, and that shifting more assembly to US bound spots reduces supply chain tail risk. Smart move by Apple, right? But Eric's not all sunshine. He warns that AI rollouts and the upcoming Vision Pro 2 could bring some lumpy volatility, great upside potential, but expect bumps. His call? Apple is a solid hold for the rest of 2025, given the market vibes and economic climate. If you're already in, he's saying hang tight. Scrolling further, you can see how this ties into the broader tariff discussion. Exemptions are a game changer. Moving on to Julia Khandoshko, CEO of Mind Money. Love this take. She straight up argues, and I quote, "Tariffs don't destroy demand. I would argue that they more often boost it." Why? That pull-forward effect we mentioned, folks snapping up iPhones before prices climb. She predicts we'll see it big time in the September cycle. Julia's eyes are on the prize, Apple's September keynote, where they're likely to unveil their AI strategy. With Apple's super loyal, wealthy user base, even a small hint of something new in AI could offset any tariff margin squeezes and rocket the stock into 2026. Her forecast? Tariffs might spark short-term growth, but AI is the real driver for next year's gains. As we scroll through her full analysis, it's clear she's bullish on that loyal fanbase turning AI hype into real revenue. To wrap the experts, Morningstar's fairly valued, with medium risk post-earnings, and Zacks hold with killer momentum. Overall, the vibe is cautiously optimistic. Tariffs aren't the apocalypse, and AI could be Apple's secret weapon. That's the scoop from Yahoo Finance. Full article linked in the description for your deep dive. Drop a comment. Do you think AI will save Apple's stock from tariffs? Like if this helped, subscribe for daily stock breakdowns and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.